We are living in a world facing climate change, rapid urban growth, and diminishing resources. The challenges of our future are real. What if architecture could be a part of the solution? At Nitte Institute of Architecture, we don't just learn to design buildings, we explore sustainability, innovation, and critical thinking to create solutions that respond meaningfully to real-world challenges. Hi, I am Jeswin. I am prototyping a cooling system for indoor spaces.
I'm Sanat. I'm developing a software which increases the efficiency of architects and contractors.
I'm Anjali. I'm researching on urban flooding and exploring solutions for resilient cities.
Hi, I'm Swati and I'm exploring how historic buildings could be adaptively reused for the future.
We are innovators, researchers, and problem solvers.
At NIA,
We learn,
We experiment,
We create.